On this video, I'm going to show you how to play something called pyramid. To play pyramid, you need a set of dominoes, the 28 chips of domino, and you can play by yourself. The purpose of the game is to flip the chip that doesn't have any dots at the end. If you flip it when you still have chips there, you lose. Let me show you how it's done. First, you take 7 chips, put them here. This is the base of the pyramid. And you take 6 chips, then 5, then 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're gonna start with the top part. You're gonna flip it. When you have a chip, you're gonna have dots on the top and on the bottom. The bottom part is gonna tell you on which line it goes, and the top part is gonna tell you on what place you're gonna put it on the line. This case is a 1 and a 1, so you're gonna start with a 0. 0, 1. You're gonna put it on this line. On which place you're gonna start counting from 0. 0, 1. You take this one goes here. You flip this chip. Always the biggest number goes on the bottom. This one is the one that's gonna tell you on which line you're gonna put it. This one has a 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 goes here. The top number is a 2. You start with a 0. 0, 1, and 2. Take this chip, goes here. Flip it. This is a 5 and a 5. When you have the same number of dots on the top and on the bottom, you're gonna go, either you put it like this or like this, is the same number. So you start 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flip it. Okay? This is a 3 and a 1. Remember, the biggest number goes on the bottom. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1. And you continue until you flip all the chips. Thank you.